In this example, we have two particles A and B. They have masses of 4 kilos and 3 kilos respectively. They are both travelling to the right at 2 meters per second and 1 meter per second respectively. After they collide, A is travelling to the right at 1 meter per second, B is travelling to the right at v meters per second. We need to find v. So the total momentum before will be 4 times 2 plus 3 times 1. The total momentum afterwards will be 4 times 1 plus 3 times v. Okay, so we have 4 times 2 plus 3 times 1, take away 4 times 1 and then divide by 3, so 7/3 meters per second, which is 2.33 meters per second. 2, 3 significant figures.